I don't blame her. I like sleeping.
Yeah, she's like, dang.
Okay, here we got a.
And Alex is playing in the All-Star game, and that's mid-December.
Oh my God.
We got a fan here.
Want to see?
The setup.
Look at this setup. Look at this setup she's got in her little tent here. She's got a little propane heater. Look at that. Oh, it's nice and warm in here.
On sale, too.
Oh,
Home Depot.
thank you.
You're welcome. We're slumming it over.